As a videographer and educator, I want to inspire others on the beauty and art of visual storytelling. I'm Baron Abbas. I take inspiration from land, sea and air to create impactful content that evokes a sense of awe and excitement. With Canon, I'm always able to take my storytelling to higher levels thanks to its constant innovations. Right from the get-go, the sleek and ergonomic design of the EOS R6 Mark II adds to the total user experience. Its curves and comfortable grip makes it easy to handle and use for extended durations. And one of the best things about Canon is the seamless transition from one model to the next. I can always expect the same menu system and button layout that's customizable to my shooting style. There's nothing like using a high frame rate camera to capture fast action in sports and seeing it in slow motion. This model goes up to 60 frames per second in 4K and up to 180 frames per second in Full HD, which is 6 times slower in playback. With martial arts, for example, I can capture all the action clearly and slow down every second to show the beauty within each movement. With all the advancements today, I'm expected to deliver more value in a shorter time. The R6 Mark II can be connected directly to the laptop with just a USB-C cable for live streams. Before, we needed a video capture card or an app to send a live feed from camera to laptop. Now, it's just plug and play for Full HD streaming. It's much more efficient and gives better value to my clients. Most people will compare features between brands. It's actually more than that. It's actually how the camera makes you feel while you're using it, how it inspires and enriches your life. These things can't be shown on paper, and you need to experience it yourself to understand why Canon will always be the first choice for millions like me.